What's up YouTube, Biz Matthew here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about how it is better to go for no deal than a bad deal. Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. Now before we go on, you all smash that like button, comment down below on have you all ever been in a bad wholesale deal, a bad real estate deal where you wish you just never got into in the first place? Comment down below and let me know in the comments down below. So thank you all for the support and growth of this channel. Hope you all are staying safe during this time, staying clean and whatnot. But yeah, I just want to talk about something that I've been learning on this journey of wholesaling real estate. Reading books, educating myself. I'm reading this book called Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss about negotiation, and in that book he talks about how no deal is better than a bad deal, right? That sometimes, yes, you want to split the difference, but it's good just not to get into it because it's going to end up hurting yourself and the other party. So it's actually a lose-lose situation for you. So I just want to bring up two personal real estate experiences that recently happened where I just backed away from the deal, saying, hey, this is just not a deal for me, whether it was price, maybe it was the seller's character or the condition of the property. So this one property I came across is from this lady. First of all, the deed is not in her name. She said it was her, I think, late uncle or something. He passed away. And she said, yeah, I can get the power of attorney anytime. And, when a seller says that, but they still don't have it, you got to be cautious with that. So, number one, they had some title issues. She wasn't on deed, and she had to get a lawyer to get a power of attorney, which could probably be easy, but I just, you just never know with those situations. And then number two is that she wanted a high price for the property, and the property needed a lot of work. We actually visited the property together. She was 20 minutes late to the appointment, but I was there, still friendly, still built rapport. And then the renters in the property weren't even there to open the door for us. And then on top of that, they had a vicious pit bull in the property. So we just ended up staying outside, the pit bull barking from inside to us and just looking on the outside of the property and just talking. And the properties just need a lot of work. I would say the ARV is probably 110,000. She wanted $65,000 for the property, and she was renting it for $650. And the property needs a lot of work, so it just wasn't a deal. I did tell her at the end, hey, in order for me or my investors to be interested, we'll be like at $30,000 for the property. And she said, oh, no way. And so that's fine. I just walked away and we just built rapport. I just, talked to her, and we actually just started talking about the Bible and religion and things like that. But yeah, but she still wanted to know my price. I still gave it to her. She said, oh, I'll let her know. And, I expect nothing from that interaction, nothing from that encounter, but you never know. And so I just want you all to know, yes, I am trying to help this seller sell, but when they're not as motivated, if they're not really wanting to get help, sometimes you just have to walk away. Because she talked about, yeah, I'll just keep on renting it out and move out, move to a different state. And to me, that's just signs of someone who's not really motivated, who's not actually looking to sell. And so with that property, just the different issues, and maybe the seller wouldn't be the best person to work with, but I just walked away. And I just want to recommend you all and to advise you all to not go chasing after deals, especially during around this time. Don't be thirsty for deals. Yes, market, be assertive, but at the same time, sometimes you got to back away from the deal and let someone come to you. And so that was one instance. And then another one is that I just got a lead this morning, and I called back the other person, didn't answer, but we're going to be going back and forth in text. Property is in a decent area. It's actually not horribly bad. He just told me the AC probably is end of its 10-year warranty, so it might need to be fixed a little bit. But other than that, it's just cosmetic. And I look on Google Maps, it look decent. You know, your classic 3 beds, 2 bath, all brick ranch style house, around 1,800 square feet. ARV is probably 175, 180. That's the market value of the property, how much the property is worth, all fixed up and ready to sell on the market. I would say 180. And then just minor updates. Probably you could put 5-10 grand into it. Probably 10 grand, 10, 15. let me stop. And so I was just texting him saying, hey, okay, you know, what's the situation? He said he's going through a divorce. He's looking to sell, but you know, he doesn't want to go through a realtor. So I asked that question, and I try to build rapport, be like, wow, you know, I mean, it could be stressful going through a divorce, especially during these times, you know, just trying to build empathy, right? And then we just started texting, and this is on text, and then about the property, his offer price, and his price wasn't even that bad. He asked for 125, and that would be the price that would be my wholesale price. And so with that property, I offered him 100,000. He was like, oh, I don't know, I think you're lowballing me, things like that. I was like, okay, fine. You know, I sent the text saying, okay, fine, you know, no problem at all. You get the most you can for this property. What do you think about listening with the realtor? He's like, you know, I want to have money fast and easy. My sister's a realtor. If I need a realtor, I'll go to her. I was like, okay, no problem at all. And then, I just ended it off saying, hey, you know, during these uncertain times, I don't know if my offer will stand next week or next month, but, you know, we're still here to help if you have any questions. Thanks. And, you know, I just ended off like that. And I think in your beginning stages, you want to be so aggressive. You want to be like, okay, well, can I at least see the property? How about if you do 120, if you can do that? And I think it's kind of important for you to do that in your beginning stages, to practice what to say, what not to say. But after doing a few deals, I'm learning, you know, just with experience comes that natural ease, that peace. Like, you know, I don't have to go chase after deals because I have deals that I've done, you know, and I got some money in the bank, and I kind of know what to gauge, you have a higher emotional intelligence in this specific niche of real estate, of wholesaling. And so I just let it be. Of course, I'm going to follow up with him probably in 2 weeks, to send him a text, see what's going on and whatnot. But yeah, I just want to advise you all to really, you know, build rapport, build empathy, say what you offer, be truthful, say, hey, you know, we're here to make money, we're going to put money into this property, and this is where we're going to have to be at for the property. And if they accept it, you know, good job. If they don't, oh well. And, you know, you just got to remember, you're only going against 5% of the market that's actually motivated to sell. And so if they're motivated, they're motivated. Of course, you use negotiation skills, you know, your sales skills to be able to get them at a low price. So yeah, that's basically what's going on in my business right now. I'm just keeping you all updated. Hope you all enjoyed that last video of me showing you step by step, or like the actual text thread of me getting a property under contract. I know that was really valuable for a lot of you all. Plan to do that more in the future. And then next time, you know, I have plans to make a video about, you know, the difference between list source and prop stream. Another person comment down below of like how to fill out an assignment on contract. I've been getting a lot of DMs and questions from you all on, you have an assignment on contract, and how to fill it out. So a video on that is coming up soon. But I just wanted to sit down and just give you all an update, learn from my experience, my mistakes as I'm growing in this business, just like you all, that you all can learn from me, and just document my journey so I can look back and say, wow, how much I have grown. It's crazy because I looked at one of the comments that I posted on another wholesaling related YouTube channel, and I said, oh, I can't wait till I get my first deal. And someone replied recently saying, "Oh, what's the status of this?" I was like, wow, this is so crazy to look back at this comment and say, wow, I already done more than one deal, a few deals now under my belt. Of course, I'm not making 6 figures a month like these big time wholesalers. I've been averaging about 1 to 2 wholesale deals a month, which was, I believe, one of my 2020 goals, just getting a deal a month. Now I just need to consistently do that and do even more, do 3 to 5 deals a month, and net at least 15,000 a deal a month. So that would be cool. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like this video. Talk to you all on the next one.